How are you all? Welcome back. My favorite day of the week is Paycheck Friday. So happy Friday! I'm telling you now that you're not prepared for this one. What happens in the cryptocurrency space over the next few weeks might make or break your wealth. Was the last bull run, in your opinion, crazy? No. This time, reconsider. No one has fully priced in the combination of catalysts we have lined up yet. Take a look at XRP. The charts are flashing signals so loudly that they could pass for sirens. Just wait until I tell you what your own friends are going to drop this morning at good old Jackson Hole. Bitcoin is currently sitting at levels that traditionally ignite the fuse for huge moves. I realize that seems crazy, doesn't it? But you'll see why I'm more positive than ever once you see how ETF approvals, litigation sign-offs, and real-world adoption are aligning with ideal market timing. Stay with me because you will miss the moment when this whole thing blows up if you leave now. Welcome to the PeepoCoin channel, everyone. Make sure to click the subscribe button if you're new here, and if you plan to return, and you want to give the channel free support in the greatest possible way. Hey, do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up. We held a small contest yesterday to see if we could get more than 1,000 thumbs up on both videos. We will be giving away key t-shirts. We looked great in the first video, which was excellent, but the second video, which received 400-500 views, did not do well. We were unable to receive 1,000 thumbs up. Out of 400-500 viewers, only about 400 clicked the thumbs up button. You can see how everyone is related to it. Thus, we'll repeat it. Both videos received more than 1,000 thumbs up. Folks, we're doing another giveaway. Many of you forget to do it, and it takes 2 seconds. I know that many of you may be the ones that drive it, but it only takes 2 seconds to support your favorite content producer, also known as ripping. And it benefits me because YouTube instructs the video to go viral right away. $1,012,549 in coin. Right now it's down 0.77%. Ethereum is up 0.3% at 4,298. It's killing it. I know that XRP is down more, now trading at 2.83. It has decreased by 2.26%. When will it stop? Don't worry, I know. I received your responses. The entire market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has also suffered. We are down from our peak of 4.04 trillion to 3.84 trillion. Here are some good things to remember from this. When the markets do regain their bullish momentum, which could happen in October or the end of September, we will be able to quickly return to our previous level of performance. Where's the bottom, I wonder? How far down do we go? Additionally, we will discuss it. Grab any cryptocurrency, drop this chart, and let's start by breaking this down using XRP. I'll blow it up for you since this chart is screaming at us. This is the offer. Below 265 is not where we close, that's all. Avoid doing it. We're in some severe trouble if you drop below 265. If you maintain that level, we're really optimistic. But if XRP closes above 330, we're not only talking or taking people. This isn't a casual pump, oh no. We are on the verge of reaching a new peak. That forward area is what we're examining. When XRP rises above forward, how good will it look? Tell me, please. I can already picture it. People, it's getting heated here. Why is this important now? It's easy, actually. The chart's movement isn't isolated, isn't a perfect storm on the horizon. Listen to me. Approvals of ETFs are scheduled for October. The SEC can no longer ignore those. For many of those ETFs, it is the last day. Adoption of RLSD has been steadily increasing in the background, and we are currently awaiting the judge's ultimate approval of the SEC v. Ripple case in order to obtain that definitive settlement. On top of all of this, you want to add a little license. We received the acquisition of the Hidden Road, which is awaiting approval from the SEC. That is the infrastructure that has not yet been discussed or included in discussions of cost. XRP rails will become inevitable as a result for large sums of money. Guess what happens each time the chart of XRP aligns with such fundamental catalysts? For the bears, it has changed the game. It's not opium. All of this is happening there in front of us. Do you want a roadmap? It's here. You had clear skies after setting 265 as your floor and 3030 as the breakout trigger. This is a small, real-time chart for you to view on TradingView. As you can see, we are below the daily moving average, but we should be able to get above it again. We must recover roughly 294. This initial green zone is visible. This is where you can help. We do not wish to shatter it. And where are we heading to break 65, 235 to 225, then 247 to 259 then? There is a lot of support for us over $2 and we won this one. Tiny resistive region between 335 and 340. I assure you that everything will fall. Everything will shatter. Next up is Ripple, which is an official sponsor of DC FinTech Week, which takes place from October 14 to October 17. That's right, the sponsor is Ripple. As you can see, AWS, Robinhood, Visa, Circle, and Chainlink are among the other sponsors, many well-known names. Ripple is always in Washington. That's the minor incident with Chris Brummer. Then, we learned that the EU is moving more quickly to implement the digital euro, possibly using Solana or Ethereum. How fascinating is that, people? After that, Pop releases this, and I concur with him. Q3's end, which would place us in late September. Additionally, early Q4 is optimistic for all cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin. September is often a pretty bearish month, as we already mentioned. The month of October is extremely bullish. Here's what we're examining, though. All right? Follow along with me on this. Everyone asks, why wouldn't we just dump September 1st if they know it will be a bearish month? Due to the fact that they front-run it, we therefore know that October will be a bullish month. What will you do then? It will also be front-run by you. Thus, you get the bearish periods, and we're experiencing it now at the end of August. And the positive timeframes will appear toward the end of September. What? Pay attention. Correct. I am aware that is currently oversold at 112,000 and 130,000. Therefore, I would anticipate that you have two things in alignment. In addition to the overselling of Bitcoin, September and October are often favorable months, particularly if they are the year after a halving. Additionally, if you look at the VIX seasonality chart, you'll typically notice that the VIX is starting to go upward at this point and that volatility is increasing significantly. Therefore, I simply assume that it is August. Individuals are on vacation. They're worn out. They aren't concentrating. And then things sort of dwindle. Additionally, we should witness a resurgence of interest in Bitcoin beginning in September. I believe there is a straightforward issue with individuals sitting in front of their devices in September. In August, they are not in front of their screen. As a result, more individuals are purchasing and exercising. Additionally, I believe that there is a lot of conjecture regarding a Fed interest rate reduction. Many people, I believe, have raised money for these Bitcoin treasury companies. I hope you all had fun. I'll be returning a little later this afternoon, so make sure to give it a thumbs up as you go. The 1,000 thumbs up is the next step. We can accomplish it, I'm sure.